Alright guys, today we got us a, I think this one is a 2009. They made these Simplicity Broadmoors with the 20 horse Briggs with the 44-inch cut mower deck from 2005 to 2009. I do believe this is a 2009 model here. We're going to get this thing ready for the mowing season for a customer. I go through it every year for him, change the oil, wash it, pull the mower deck off, sharpen blades, and whatever else needs done. Check tires, make sure they're up to pressure like they need to be, and we just go through it, check spark plugs, change air filter if it needs changed. Just your basic maintenance. Get it ready for the springtime, summertime mowing here for him. And pretty nice tractor overall. Little simplicity. Let's see, I believe he's got 702 hours on this already, so it's getting some hours on it. Not too bad yet. But anyways, guys, show you how to pull the deck off of one of these. Really simple on these Simplicity on this, especially on this model here, to pull the deck on it. Fairly simple. So I'll show you what all you gotta do. Just take the deck off of one of these. I'm gonna pull the deck off, clean it all up and stuff real good. But under here you got this lever right here, and all you do is pull that like that, loosen the belt up, take the belt off. You got a pin over here, pull the clip out, pull that pin off. We'll go ahead and do that now. All you do is do that right there. Go over to this side, pull your pin out. Gap right there. It's got a little washer there to help hold it in. Take that off like that. And come around the front here. And you got this little lever here that you got to pull forward. It just comes forward and it comes right up out of there. Let's see if I can put that on there. I can't. And all you do, guys, is take her, turn your steering wheel so you can get the front part of this out of here. That's all there is to it, guys. Pulling that deck off, that's pretty simple. one of the easier ones to do, definitely. This deck here, I believe he's got yeah, he put a mulching kit. This mower deck's got the mulching kit on it, which is this, basically these pieces here go in here, and then you got this piece that goes over the front, over your chute right here. So does a real nice job on. One thing about these Simplicities are really nice. They got these 4 rollers on the back, and with the weight of the mower deck down on your yard, it gives it a really nice striping. If you want to, you know, go back and forth over your lawn, they do a real nice job of striping. That's one thing I like about the Simplicities. They do have a really nice cut when they're done mowing and stuff, guys. So that's just a little video there on how to pull the mower deck off. We'll pull the blades off, sharpen them up real good, clean all that junk out of the mower deck, and get the oil change, get this thing serviced, and get it ready to go. And we'll get her cleaned up for him. Probably put a coat of wax. I usually put a coat of wax on there for him too, so he's pretty happy with it when I get it done, get it back to him. So that'll conclude this video, guys, on the Simplicity Broadmoor 20 horse 44-inch cut.